Welcome, everyone!
Today, our family is going shopping together.
Watch closely and see who makes smart choices and who makes careless ones. Let's go! Careless!
Look how fast this goes! Out of the way! Ben, stop! You cannot control it. Watch out, kid. I'm sorry. Smart!
I am walking slowly, Dad.
Perfect, Ben. That keeps our space safe.
I am watching out for people in front of us.
Great teamwork, kids.
Careless! I want this one right now. Don't pull from the bottom. Oh no! They all fell down.
That is gonna take an hour to rebuild.
Smart!
Mom, that box is too high for me. Can you reach it?
Of course. Always ask when something is out of reach.
Thank you, Mom. Careless!
I'm just trying one. Nobody will know. Oops! Now they're everywhere! Ben, we have to pay for that whole bag now, opened or not. Smart!
These apples look fresh. I will pick 3 gently.
Gentle hands keep the food fresh for everyone.
Careless!
Quick, Laura! Let's hide before someone sees us. Someone clean this up! That is very dangerous.
Ben, look what happened because you ran away.
Smart!
Oh no! I made a spill!
Accidents happen. Let's tell the worker now.
Sir, I dropped this bottle by mistake.
I can help wipe it.
Thank you for being honest, young man.
I made this mess. Let me help clean it up. I'll get some paper towels.
Thank you, kids. That's very kind of you.
We should clean up what we spill. Teamwork makes it faster, too.
I'm so proud of you both for helping.
Careless! I just want to try it first.
Oh no, that box is open now. We cannot sell this one anymore.
I'm sorry, I just wanted to see it work.
Smart!
This one looks fun.
Look, the box shows a picture of it.
We can see how it works.
Can we ask if there's one we can try?
Just to be sure? Sure. Right this way.
Careless! More bags means more fun.
Ben, we only needed 3 bags. Now look at this mess.
Oops, I didn't think about how many.
Smart!
I brought our bags from home, Mom.
Perfect, Laura.
And they're
Plan it.
stronger too, so nothing will break.
Smart thinking, sweetheart.
Careless! All done! I'm getting in the car.
Ben, someone cannot get past.
Excuse me, can someone please move this cart?
Ben, look. You blocked the path for this nice man.
Smart! I am putting the cart in the return rack, Dad.
Excellent job. Now the path stays clear for everyone.
Good choices make shopping easy.
Good manners make a great day.
Smart habits keep everyone happy.
Be smart, not careless.
Happy learning, friends!